Okay, phone hunting again. It's just been a day. So I was walking around here, down there, oh, shoot, it's fucking mud. So around here, and I was going down here to go and check out things. I'm not sure if you could see it, but it's a freaking plastic bag. Who the heck would bother? I'm just kidding for right now. I'll probably already know because you read the description, but I found there's no fucking way. Shoot. I'm gonna try and go and have an easy death for me. If they're hitmen, they're trying to go and make me get down here, but I've been in the mud hundreds of times. And let me just go get that. Yes, walking down here, nothing. I only found like a little piece of a circuit board. Nothing. No use for it. So let's go and get it. And I already see another one. And I already feel the screen is absolutely cracked. I knew it. Let's see if it even turns on. No way. I'm not sure if y'all could see that, but that's a dead battery symbol. Just showed up. Dead foe. Completely is dead. But what about this? Ooh, a Galaxy J3. Good timing. I'm starting to fix these a lot more often too. It's brand new. Brand freaking new. Cool. Well, let's bring these two phones to shop, see if we can go and track down the previous owner. Okay, so just out of curiosity, I just started wondering what happened if I dropped it face down, head height. I mean, replacing the screen, anyways, it's already broken. 3, 2, 1. Oh, cracked a little more. Let's go get a good look at the screen over here. Oh, wow. It really broke. Okay, and I finally got this one to turn on. I got a new battery in it because it was missing one. I'm guessing that the previous owner just didn't even notice that there was a battery in the box because this is on setup mode. It's brand new, no Google account, no previous signs of the previous owner or anything, so I don't really have any contact with them. So yeah, and we're just waiting for the iPhone 6 to charge, and hopefully it's either in setup mode and no iCloud account, or it'll just be working in general. I could go and get rid of the iCloud. Anyway. And that's how I restored the Galaxy J3V, I believe it is. It's a J337A, so it's Galaxy J3 Achieve in blue. I got this thing working just with the battery. And this iPhone, I had to replace the screen, and unfortunately the home button, it worked, but it didn't work with the assistive touch, so I'm just going to go and wait, because this is the best screen that I have, and it technically still works, but I just don't really have the best experience because it's completely shattered. But the Touch ID didn't work, so I will go and just get like a regular screen replacement. I'm not really good with those side bezel screws, so yeah. So I'm just gonna go leave the screen loose like this until I go and get a new screen. Wish me luck. See you guys in the next one.